Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to make another macrame coaster using these beautiful purple cords. This is a reversible coaster. It has different looks on the front and the back side. Very beautiful. Here I got 10 cords at 180 centimeters or 71 inches and I use a 15 centimeter dowel stick. And please check in the description box below for the material details. So now, let's start by attaching all the cords to the dowel stick using lark's head knot. There we go, they are all attached. Next, we're gonna start to create double half hitch knot from left to right. Start with the most left section cords. Take the left cord as a holding cord and the right cord as a working cord. Make sure your holding cord is always on top of the working cord. Take the working cord, put it over through the loop created. Pull the working cord up and position that right at the top. Repeat one more time with the same working cord. So basically we're going to do it twice on each working cord. Repeat the same step until you reach the rightmost section cords. So here I speed up because it's just the same exact thing as we did before. If you still need slow instruction, please go backward to the previous minute. First row is done. Now let's create the second row from right to left. And this time, we're not going to use the most left and right cords. Put them to the side. We will start creating double half hitch knot with the next cord. Because we start from the right to left, so the right cord will be the holding cord and the left cord will be the working cord. So basically, it's the reverse steps of the first row. And don't forget to make sure your holding cord is always on top of the working cord. Do it until you reach the most left section cords. Second row is created. Now move to the next row. Take the most right and left cords back and start creating double half hitch knot again. So the key on this project is we are doing the same exact thing as the first row for the third, fifth, seventh, ninth row and so on. And then do the same exact thing as the second row for the fourth, sixth, eighth row and so on. Here I want it to be a 20 centimeters or 5 inches long coaster, so I stop knotting when it reaches the length I want. Here we go. After hundreds of double half-inch knots, it turns out so pretty. It looks like random paving stones. I love it. Next, remove the dowel stick. Then cut the ends and then cut the fringe shorter. I left it about 2 centimeters or 1 inch. You can decide how long the fringe you want, but just don't cut it too short because we will cut it again later after we untwist the fringe. I did the same to the other side. I cut them with the same length we did before. Untwist them all and then comb up the fringe back and forth. Trim the fringe in a straight line. I personally like to make it shorter, so the fringe is gonna be kind of stiff. Here's how it turned out. It's such an adorable reversible coaster. I really love the color. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Good luck and I'll see you soon.